Hello everyone, in this video we will wrap the front bumper. The bumper is already prepared. We attached it to a stand. Before wrapping, we moisten it with a soapy solution to remove the dust. Next, we moisten it with soapy solution once again and moisten the film with soapy solution too and start wrapping. Now, we will spray an alcohol solution on both ends of the bumper. After that, we stretch the film along the bumper so that it covers all planes and start squeegeeing the film. We fix the film around the perimeter of the bumper. Now, we will wrap the recesses. In order to reduce the film tension, we will cut off the excess film. First, we wrap the edges here. Next, we wrap this recess. In order to reduce tension over the film in this place, we peel off the film from the bottom of the bumper and reposition it towards the inner plane of the bumper. We have wrapped the inner part of the air duct. Now, let's do the same on the other side. There are two planes in the central part of the bumper, the top and the bottom one. In order to wrap them, we will make small cuts from the corners. First, we wrap the visually visible plane, the bottom one, and then we will wrap the inner plane. Also, we will make inlays in places where the film is missing. In the place of a tow hook lid, we will cut up the film with a margin of a couple millimeters and tuck it in. After wrapping the main surface and the edges, we proceed to the final trimming. After final trimming, we let the bumper dry completely, and after that we will heat up all the edges and recesses with a heat gun. After we've heated up the entire bumper and its edges with a heat gun, the wrapping of the bumper is now complete.